Okay, okay. It's okay, boy. It's all right. Just calm. Calm. We just wanna...
That's it.
Okay, I'll distract Arm. You freeze his chains with your axe so he can't run and latch him onto something.
No, too dangerous.
It's a good plan. Let's move.
Wait!
I hear him up ahead.
We do this my way now.
Guess your way means...
It means what you think it means.
Can't we try and...
We have the power to limit the harm this creature can cause. We will use it.
We don't have to fight each other!
It is beyond reason, Atreus.
Okay, guess I see why you locked him up now. Aren't you tired of destroying things?
Do not show mercy.
Looks like he's getting ready to attack.
It is over.
I wish it didn't have to end that way. It's my fault he got loose. That he's dead.
Sometimes there is no other way.
I know. Gotta go. Come on, through the hole in the floor. Blocking our path!
Jump!
Where is he? Watch out! You good?
Yes! Now we fight!
Here we go again. You got it. Attack that spot on his neck. Hit. Don't you want to rest? Attack that spot on his neck. Hit. Come on. Stay down. Stay down. Get off us!
I can see that!
How does he keep coming back?
That is his nature!
You gotta change that. Bad! It's like he doesn't have a soul to kill. Wait! I think I can stop this!
How?
I need you to help me get on his back!
What?
Trust me, please! I got this!
You do it your way, then.
Watch out for those shockwaves! Enough already! Throw your spear at his leg! You can't keep destroying the realm! Now's our chance! There's none! Now! Please work, please work, please work! I'm sorry!
What happened?
We gotta find him. Come on. You're okay. Sorry I hurt you. It's over now. I promise. Fen? Are you? I missed you too. Didn't know if that would work. We did it!
Sit. How is this possible?
It's giant magic. I've been learning things.
In Asgard.
This has nothing to do with that.
More secrets.
No. A promise. One that someone's trusting me to keep. Like you kept your promise to Mom? See what I can do when you trust me?
Oh. It is done. We should inform the others. Decide our next move.
So, when the Nords told you Heimdall was